Okay, we'll be starting exercise 8.4. All right, question number 5. Prove that. So the first, in this exercise, what we'll be usually doing is we'll be trying to prove that the left hand side equals right hand side. All right, so let's go about with the first. So the left hand side for the first question is cosec theta minus cos square theta, and this is our answer. Okay, this is what we're supposed to get. All right, so cosec theta can also be written as what? 1 by sine theta, right? And then cot theta can also be written as cos theta by sine theta, so which I have done it here for us. All right, once you have done with that, have a look at the denominators. You can see they're both same, right? Sine theta, which means the LCM will also be itself, which is sine theta. All right, once you're done with that, just write down the numerators 1 and then minus cos theta. You can already see here, right? Okay, once we're done with that, now when you look here, the power, the square, I'm going to separate it for both the numerator and the denominator, right? So I'm going to have a 1 minus cos theta whole square and then sine square theta. All right, separating them. And if you look at the numerator, 1 minus cos theta the whole square, right? So have a look here. When it is a minus b the whole square, okay? So 1 is a and then our b is cos theta, right? So a minus b the whole square, we can simply write it as a minus b, a minus b. So you can see here a minus b, a minus b. And when you look at the denominator, this sine square theta, it can be written as 1 minus cos square theta. All right, so I've written it here. And then what? When you look at this 1, can I write 1 as 1 square? Same thing, right? Even if I write 1 to the power 3, it will still be 1. Okay, so in place of writing 1 here, we're writing it down 1 square. All right, why are we doing that? In order to get this formula, a square minus b square. Okay, you can see here a square minus b square. What can we write? A plus b, a minus b, right? 1 is a, b is cos theta. So you can see here a plus b, a minus b. And then from here now, we can divide this and this, right? And then we'll be left with 1 minus cos theta divided 1 plus cos theta, which is our right hand side, the answer that we were trying to find. Let's go to Roman number 2 again. So once again, left hand side equals right hand side. That is what we'll be trying to prove. All right, if you look at the denominator now, 1 plus sine a, 1 plus cos a, right? So if I try to find the LCM of 1 plus sine a and then cos a, obviously it will just be these two again, right? So I've written for us the LCM here. Now write down the numerator. Okay, so the first numerator we have is what? Cos a. So I've written there cos a. Now look at the denominator. We have the denominator as 1 plus sine a, right? So it's already here. So what is it missing? It's missing the cos a, so we have to write this down here. All right, now go to the next numerator again. Next numerator is what? 1 plus sine a, right? So I've written here 1 plus sine a. And once you're done with that, look at the denominator, cos a, cos a. What is missing? 1 plus sine a. So I've written here 1 plus sine a. All right, now once we're done with that, let us multiply cos into cos. I'm going to get cos square a, right? And 1 plus sine a, 1 plus sine a, just leave it as it is. And then this cos square a, in the next step, it can be expanded in the formula 1 minus sine square a. So you can already see here. Right, so that is what we have done here. Once we're done with it, again, like our previous question, in place of writing 1, I'm going to write 1 square. Still means the same thing, right? 1 square still equals 1. Okay, now when you look here, it has become now what? A square minus b square, right? So how does the formula? What is the formula then? A square minus b square, we get a plus b, a minus b. So these are a plus b, these are a minus b. Next step we're going to do is we're going to take the common. Okay, you can already see the what? 1 plus sine a, 1 plus sine a, they are common, right? So I'm going to take it to be common here. So if I've taken out this 1 plus sine a, between these two, I'll be left with this 1 minus sine a. So I've written here, and then here there are two, right? 1 plus sine a, 1 plus sine a. But I've taken out 1 common, so what is left again? 1 plus sine a. All right, so I'm taking that out. Once we're done with that, you can see we can divide this 1 plus sine a and then this 1 plus sine a. So here we'll be opening the bracket. Okay, so I have 1 minus sine a, open the bracket, I have 1 plus sine a. From here, minus sine a plus sine a can be divided, and then this 1 plus 1, we're going to have 2. So we're having what? 2 by cos a, right? But 1 by cos a can also be written as sec of a. All right, so simplifying, we get 2 times sec a, which is the right hand side we're trying to